Welcome to another edition of the Top 5 Things to Know in Less Than 3 Minutes, Fractions Edition. In the 2005 curriculum, adding and subtracting fractions was introduced in grade 7, which only gave students 2 years to become proficient with this operation before exposure to the grade 9 curriculum. In the new math curriculum, adding and subtracting fractions begins in the 5th grade with like denominators. However, due to the curriculum gap, this will be the first time students who are in grade 7 this year will be formally introduced to adding and subtracting fractions. New to grade 7 this year is expectation B1.3, reading, representing, comparing, and ordering rational numbers, including positive and negative fractions and decimal numbers to thousands, in various contexts. Incorporating this expectation in this topic allows us to revisit one of our 4 non-negotiables, integers. In order to integrate math topics across and within strands, the number expectation involving the lowest common multiple is embedded in the adding and subtracting fractions topic to complement students determining a common denominator in the creation of equivalent fractions. Determining the greatest common factor will be addressed with multiplying and dividing fractions to complement simplifying fractions. Because operations with fractions is one of our non-negotiables, we have created a diagnostic thinking task to help you determine where your student's level of understanding is. When you click on the link, you will be asked to make your own copy. As students are completing this task, you are gathering observational data. Specifically, can students visually represent addition of fractions with unlike denominators using a variety of tools? To complement the diagnostic thinking task, a developmental tracking sheet has been created to help you monitor the growth of student learning. Again, when you click on the link, you will be asked to create your own copy. Choose the Operations with Fractions tab at the bottom of the tracking sheet. You will notice there is a link to the diagnostic thinking task, and the benchmarks have been color-coded to easily identify previous grade and grade level expectations. This tracking sheet also contains multiplying and dividing fractions, which will be addressed later in Term 1. Okay, so Learning Support Services has created this most amazing long-range plan resource. But how do I even begin to start planning for this topic? Well, as luck would have it, a sample first week at a glance can be found in the resource section under Knowledge for Teaching. Enjoy!